Hey, to download ringtones on the Redmi Note 13, you have to open the settings. Now scroll and move into the sound and vibration. From this, select ringtone. And when you are here, you have to click on this icon and select, input free phrase. Right now, we can actually find a lot of different completely free ringtones. So let's try this one. I just actually silenced my ringtone, so let's fix this. If you want to get this one, just click here and tap to set as a ringtone. Now it was downloaded and we will use it. So yeah, this is it. Right now, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.